Good morning students, I am Mayank Tiwari. Today we will solve entomology section from SR Kantwa book. Let's start. Student question number 1 you see. Question number 243 we are starting with. Body and wings covered by overlapping scales found in the order Lepidoptera, Coleoptera, Hymenoptera, Diptera. You have to tell what is the unique feature of this body and wings covered by overlapping scales. It is a unique feature of which order? So students, regarding the insect order, some important things I am telling you, please remember. So student, this thing you remember, the widely accepted classification of insect is given by AD-IMS. Remember it. According to AD-IMS, there are 29 insect order. But now students, there is one new insect order called Mantisophasmida. So you please confirm from your teachers whether there are now 30 insect order or they are considering 29 only. In the competitive exam, I think they will now consider 30. But one time you confirm from any entomology faculty whether 30 answer will be correct or 29 answer will be correct. But if they ask you what is the new insect order, so Mantisophasmida is the new insect order, remember it. Now student, insect order are divided into Aterygota and Terygota. Aterygota means wingless insect. Metamorphosis is absent in Aterygota and pregenital appendages are present. So student, in Aterygota there are TDCP, Thysonura, Diplura, Colambula, Protura. In the example of Protura is tails and tails, and example of Diplura is Japigids, and Colambula order you will find springtails, and Thysonura order silverfish. Sometime in competitive exam they give the question which of the following is not a fish. So silverfish is an insect, not a fish. Student, now Terygota. Terygota means winged or evolved from winged ancestors. Metamorphosis is present in Terygota and pregenital abdominal appendages are absent. Now student, this Exoterygota, this Terygota is divided into two types, Exoterygota and Endoterygota. In Exoterygota means exo means wing development is external, metamorphosis is incomplete, pupa is absent, immature nymphal stage is present. Student, Pherimoptera order mayfly, Odonata order dragonfly, Lecoptera order stonefly. In stonefly, Lecoptera order you will find tracheal gills. Gryoblatudia rock crawlers, and Orthoptera grasshopper locust. Four-wing forming tegmina are modified for jumping. Phasmida stick and leaf insect, presence of compound eye. Dermaptera earwig, cerci modified to sclerotized forceps. Embioptera web spinners. Dictyoptera order contains cockroach and mantis, and Isoptera order contains termites. Students, sometimes they ask you this question, what is the order of termite? Remember it, termite and white ant belong to Isoptera order. And Zoroptera order contains zoropterans, Y-shaped epicranial suture is present. And Socoptera order contain book lice. Malophaga order contain bird lice, and Siphonculata order contained head louse, and Hemiptera order contains bugs. You all may be knowing this. And Thysonoptera order contains thrips, and in thrips, students remember, in thrips asymmetric type of mouthpart are present in thrips, and right mandible is absent in thrip. Sometimes they ask you asymmetric mouthpart are present in which, and sometimes they ask you in thrips which of the following mandible is absent. You remember right mandible is absent. Now student, Endoterygota wing development is internal, metamorphosis is complete, and pupa immature stages larva. Student, Hymenoptera order example bee and vespant. And student, unique feature of Hymenoptera is present of propodium and corbicula or pollen basket on hind leg. Sometimes they ask you corbicula or pollen basket is present in which insect? Bees. In bees it is present, and in which of the following legs it is present? It is present in hind legs. Lepidoptera is butterfly and moth. And student, Coleoptera example are beetle and weevil. Coleoptera is the largest insect order, and forewing of Coleoptera are known as elytra. And Diptera means true fly. In Diptera there is presence of Altier puparium. Straciptera stylopids, and in Straciptera you will find forewing modified as pseudo-Altiers. Student, Neuroptera order contains antlions and owlflies, and Mecoptera order contains scorpion fly, and Trichoptera order contains caddisfly, and Siphonoptera order contains fleas. And students, I was telling you exoterygota has incomplete metamorphosis, so only 3 stages: egg, nymph, adult, and endoterygota complete metamorphosis, 4 stage: egg, larva, pupa, and adult. Remember it. Student, also remember type of larva, like nymph larva is present in hemiptera, bird, bugs, whitefly, aphids, gesids. Type of larva is nymph. Moth, bollworm, borer, lepidoptera. Type of larva is caterpillar. Coleoptera and hymenoptera. Type of larva is grub. And in diptera, all true fly, type of larva is maggot. So student, here question was asking you body and wings covered by overlapping scales. It is a unique feature of Lepidoptera. Student, question number 244 you see. This has been asked many times. Plague is transmitted by. So student, remember it. Plague is transmitted by Xenosylla Chiopsis. Remember it. This has been asked many times. Plague is transmitted by Xenosylla Chiopsis. Student, question number 245 you see. Blood sucking species is. You all know that this male Anopheles mosquito, it sucks the pollen, but the blood is sucked by Anopheles female. Student, question number 246 you see. Pertrophic membrane is present in which of the following part of abdomen you have to tell. So student, pertrophic membrane is present in midgut. Remember it. Student, question number 247 you see. Linker of Aterygota and Terygota is. This is very important question, students. So Thysanura is the linker of Terygota and Aterygota. Student, question number 248 you see. Completely parasitic order is. Student, this question is very important. So completely parasitic order is Strepsiptera. Student, which of the following pair is not correct? You have to match the insect and mouth part. Student, first, biting and chewing type mouth part. Biting and chewing type of mouth part are found in grasshopper, locust, beetle, and larval Lepidoptera. Mosquito, aphid, bugs, and leafhopper contain piercing and sucking type of mouth part. Housefly contain sponging type of mouth part. Butterfly and moth contain siphoning type of mouth part. Honeybee contain chewing and lapping type of mouth part, and rasping and sucking type of mouth part are present in thrips. Remember these. So here bees are matched with chewing type of mouth part, but bees do not have chewing type of mouth part. Bees have chewing and lapping type of mouth part. So rest of the option are completely correct. Bugs have piercing and sucking type mouth part. It is correct. Butterfly has siphoning mouth part. It is also correct. Housefly has also sponging mouth part. It is correct. But bees have chewing and lapping type mouth part, not chewing type mouth part. Student, question number 250 you see. Which pesticide is used for controlling the white grub? So Foret is used for controlling the white grub. Remember it. Student, 251 you see. In cotton, the serious sucking pest is. So student, hopper. Hopper is a serious sucking pest in cotton. Remember it. Antenna are absent in. Student, this question can be important. In Protura, antenna is absent. Remember it. Student, question number 253 you see. NCIPM, National Center for Integrated Pest Management. It's situated in New Delhi only. Student, question number 254. Not very important, but at least for general knowledge you remember. Malaria was first identified in. So malaria was first identified in Hyderabad. Student, question number 255 you see. Nutritional status is carried out. Nutritional studies is carried out by use of. So student, these nutritional studies are carried out by use of cockroach. This question can be important. And student, this 256 question has been asked many times in IRA, PhD exam and other exams. First plant protection officer to Government of India was H.S. Pruthi. So student, remember it. These many facts you have to remember. In case you have doubt on any question, please message me. And in case you want me to make video on any specific topic, kindly let me know. Thank you.